Hi, in this tutorial we will study about the Lasso tool. The Lasso tool is a free-form selection tool which we have from Adobe Photoshop. So let's begin and learn about the Lasso tool. The Lasso tool has the keyboard shortcut L, so when you press L in your keyboard, you will have the Lasso key on. You can also have the Lasso tool by just clicking at the Lasso tool in the toolbar. Lasso tool gives us free form selection. So in my previous tutorial, we had discussed about the marquee tool. So marquee tool gives us hard edged selections, say a rectangle, say a square. But in this case, we have free form selection. Not necessary that your image would be a hard edged image. It could be a very rough area that you want to capture. So for Control D, we can deselect that area. You're simply actually drawing a freehand selection around the object you want to select. You can create your own shape selections. To complete the selections, we simply return to the point from where we started and release our mouse. We can refine our selections by adding the selection by Shift or subtracting by Alt. Now let's dive into Photoshop and learn how to use this lasso tool. So let's begin with the lasso tool. So lasso tool in Photoshop gives us the option of having free form selection. So this is my lasso tool over here, and it has three tools: the polygonal, magnetic, and the plain lasso tool. So lasso tool gives us the flexibility to have free form selection. So let me show you how. So this is how I'm going to just dragging by keeping my mouse pressed. I'm having this selection and I bring it towards the end and it forms a selection. We can see those marching ants which clearly says that we have those selections. Now I can go to edit and I'm going to go to fill. It's an amazing option on how you can take out anything from the background. So it's content fill with, content aware. So it's going to remove this area and just going to take the background area and place it there. So it's going to take some time, and that's what we have. So we obviously going to refine this later, but we have this selection because we had a freeform selection. So not every time you would need a clear selection, you would also need some approximate or freeform selection. Then we have the hotkey L. So let's now go ahead with a polygonal lasso in the next video.